Please see the next question. Please see the next question. Very, very good question. But unfortunately, students will keep using so many formulas. I will first explain you the meaning of this question. Then let us solve this question. Everyone listen to this carefully, sir. Everyone listen to this carefully. I have a pen. I purchased this pen for some amount. That is nothing but cost price. I have a pen with me. I purchased this pen for some amount. I want to sell that pen for you. I sold that pen for 570 rupees. I sold the pen whatever I have with me for 570 rupees for you. If I sell the pen for 570 rupees for you, I will have a loss of 5%. I will have a loss of 5% if I sell the pen for 570 rupees for you. But any person who is listening to this class, do you like to have loss in your life? Definitely no one will wish to have loss in their life. So what I thought is, I had a loss of 5% when I sold the pen for 570 rupees. What I planned is, I planned in such a way that I want to convert that loss of 5% to a profit of 5%. If the loss of 5% had to become the profit of 5%, at what price I need to sell the product? Everyone listen to this carefully. I already told some students that please avoid commenting the answers. If you know the answer, so please have it with yourself. You might get the answer, but the way of approaching that answer is very important. That is what will ANC teach you. Everyone please stop commenting the answer, sir. Now see here, I will teach you in two methods. Whichever the method you are comfortable with, you can pick that method. Yesterday, if you remember, fifth formula we wrote in our class. That fifth formula is nothing but selling price is equal to cost price into 1 minus loss percentage. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 minus loss percentage. 1 is nothing but 100%, right? 1 is 100%. That means when the loss is 5%, when the loss is 5%, 1 is nothing but 100%. My selling price will be how much? My selling price in that case will be 570 rupees. That means 570 is equal to cost price into 95%. 100 minus 5 is 95%. This is my first equation. Similarly, I had another formula yesterday what I wrote. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus profit percentage. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus profit percentage. When the profit is 5%, 100% plus 5% is 105%. When the profit is 5%, I am actually finding what should be my selling price. SP is what we need to find. This is my second equation. Now I have two equations. If I solve those two equations, equation 1 divided by equation 2, left hand side of equation 2 is SP. Left hand side of equation 1 is 570. If you observe the right hand side, in both the equations CP will cancel, percentage will cancel. Right hand side of equation 2 is 105, equation 1 right hand side is 95. If you simplify cross multiplying, selling price you will get it as 630 rupees. This is one of the methods which will be given in the textbooks, which we are least bothered about. Why? Because this uses formulas. There are two formulas that we need to by heart in this method. We will by heart two formulas in this method, and then we will solve that problem by using two formulas. That is the reason we are not interested in this method. Please avoid this kind of methodology. Please avoid this kind of methodology. Now everyone listen to this carefully, sir. Everyone listen to my method too. I will write the question once again. Selling price is nothing but 570 rupees. Loss percentage is nothing but 5%. What should be the selling price if the profit percentage is 5%? Method 2. ANC way of solving the problem without using any two equations. Everyone listen carefully to this method, sir. Can I say that loss percentage is 5% means, what is the meaning of 5%? 5% is 5 by 100. 5 by 100 is 5 into 1, 5 into 20. It is 1 by 20. I already taught you in my previous classes also saying that you have a numerator, you have a denominator. Denominator always represent your initial value. Cost price is the initial value. That means denominator is cost price and the denominator value is 20. What is the numerator? If it is loss percentage, numerator is loss. That means the loss is nothing but 1 rupee. Cost price is 20 rupees. Loss is 1 rupee. What should be the selling price? Selling price should be 19 rupees. But according to the question, selling price is how much? According to the question, when the loss is 5%, it is 570. 19 is becoming 570. Multiply by 30. 20 also multiply by 30. 20 into 30 is nothing but 600. That means I purchased the pen for 600 rupees. I purchased the pen for 600 rupees. Now I want to make 5% profit. My cost price is 600 rupees. 10% of 600 is 60. 5% means half of 10%. What is half of 60? 30. That means on 600 I should have 30 rupees profit and then I need to sell it. So that my selling price should be how much? 630. Kindly avoid using formulas to solve any problem, and this method we will implement in all the problems, because any tricky question also this method will make it to be a very easy methodology and you will understand over a period of time. I hope the idea is clear for you people. Suppose for example, it will clear everyone's doubt at one shot. Everyone please listen carefully. In our school days we studied this concept. If one pen costs 5 rupees, then what is the cost of 7 pens? If one pen costs 5 rupees, then what is the cost of 7 pens? Now please listen carefully. If one pen costs 5 rupees, what is the cost of 7 pens? How we were solving in school days? Let the cost of 7 pens be x, and then we were cross multiplying. That is the method what we were implementing in our school days. But what we are implementing right now is 1 is becoming 7. 1 is becoming 7 multiply by 7. 5 also multiply by 7. 5 into 7. What should be the answer? Answer should be 35. Or another way of doing is 1 is becoming 5 multiply by 5. 7 also multiply by 5. 7 into 5 is 35. You asked me a question. Sir, what if there is no multiplying factor? Cross multiply. Simple, right? I am teaching you the basic mathematics what we studied in school days. I hope the idea of this question is clear. If you do not have multiplying factor, and another one answer for your information, most of the questions what they give in the examination will definitely have multiplying factors. If there is no multiplying factor, you know how to solve it right now. Do not worry about it, just cross multiply and solve it. Next question. I hope this idea is clear for each and every student. Next question. Just to keep on listening, I am very particular about today's class. Some beautiful questions are going to come.